Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and yeah, happy to have you guys here. And I will make now my weekly sum up or resum of the weekly trades I made. And yeah, after in like 1 hour I will upload another video with the top pairs for the next week. So yeah, be ready for that. This week, so last week we had like a 2% loss, and this week I had like, to be honest, I lost like 3% or 2%, I'm not sure. And I also lost my 100k challenge, so it was a bit fucked up, but I was not disciplined with my rules, so I kind of deserve it. And yeah, I just want to be honest with you guys. It's part of my trading journey, and I still learning my lessons, even if I made already good profits. But yeah, I will probably buy another 100k challenge or 200k challenge this week, so tomorrow. But I will see. But anyways, I will make now the sum up to tell you guys which trades I took and what mistakes I made. So the first trade I took, which I told you on last Sunday, the first interesting trade. Sorry for my English. I'm not raised up with first language for English. So here I told you I'm looking for a short, and the reason why was that the weekly was bearish. So the weekly time frame was bearish on the market structure. On the daily we were also bearish, and on the 4 hourly we were also bearish. So kind of all time frames were in sync. And we had another confluence, and for me this confluence was this head and shoulders pattern, which you can see here. We had the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. And on the potential right shoulder I entered a short trade around here. Yeah, and it has looked pretty decent, and I could have taken some profits, and normally I should. I think, yeah, I was like up 1 to 3. To be honest, I was a bit greedy. I could have taken these profits, but for me it was, I took the risk to swing trade this trade until this structure point here. Would have been like 1 to 10 or something like that. For sure it was risky, but for me it was just looking too clean to take profits at a 1 to 3. But yeah, I learned my lessons because the breakout was very clean of the head and shoulders. Then we had here like kind of consolidation before the next drop, but the news then pushed it up, took the liquidity from this wicks, and now it's going back down. So yeah, it was a bit unlucky, but yeah, this trade I did not really break my rules. Just the rules I broke was the 1 to 3, because normally I always take my profits at the 1 to 3 because of these cases. So I took my lesson here. And my other trade was CADJPY. Here I made a stupid mistake, and if I would have been alerted on this one, I would not lost the 1% trade on this one. So here on this trade, the weekly is bearish. This is the market structure. Here's the higher high and here's the higher low. The daily is also bearish. And like I said last Sunday on the recap for the next week, we were under this strong resistance zone. So at the retest of the zone I went short, but what I told you last Sunday, I'm sure I would have needed to wait for a daily bearish candlestick, but I was not patient enough. I entered before, or then the bearish daily candlestick never happened, but I saw that will happen within the day I entered. And yeah, I hinted here at the strong bearish engulfing 4-hour candle, and then at the retest. And yeah, I got fucked, or not fucked, but I lost this trade again. And yeah, but it's part of the process. If you not follow your rules, the market will give you your lessons. So for me, it was a very important week, to be honest. It was just another proof to be more patient on my entries. And yeah, sometimes, for example, the last 2-3 weeks were not good, but the month before I had pretty decent month, like 10 to 20% month. And when you have like a big winning streak, you get a bit more confident, and you don't you start to ignore some rules, and that's where you get fucked. So yeah, was an important lesson on this week, to always wait for the daily candle close in the direction I want to take the trade. And which other trades I took? I not took another one. I was interested in NZD shorts, but it was not that interesting. Then I was interested on GBP NZD long, but we never came back to the area, sadly, even if we had a little retest here on the Monday. But we did not make it to the area. Was very close, but we did not make it. Then we had Euro GBP short, but we never had the clean entry. We never had the bearish engulfing candle this week. And yeah, NZD CAD, I think I was still for... No, I was not interested in this for the week. And here on CADJPY, I was interested in longs. They played out pretty well, but they also did not hit my area and was not an interesting entry. So yeah, this was the week. I made like 2% minus, I think, maybe a little bit more. And yeah, now I will make the top pairs for this week, and would be very appreciated from my side if you can like this video, maybe comment what you want to see, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you a lot for the support. And see you guys in 1 hour, something like that. Then I will upload the next video.